Welcome back to another video. My name's Max. We're at Kleis Car Audio, where upgrading Porsches to have Apple CarPlay is just something we do nearly every single day. Today I'm sat in a 997 911.2. This vehicle has come in for an Apple CarPlay wireless and Android Auto wireless upgrade along with DAB. So let me give you a little show around it. So I'm going to spin around the camera, show you over to our stereo. Here we have the Kenwood stereo fitted into a flush fitting fascia, which just gives this a nice clean flush look. And this is the fascia parts that we use to install radios in these cars. The Kenwood is a very popular option at the moment. It's got key features like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, DAB radio, and really that is pretty much all the people need when out in their Porsche. The home screen of the radio looks a little bit like this. You've got access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto if you had it connected. As you can see, it's already connected up to my phone, which is just down here. DAB radio looks a little bit like this, picking up DAB well from our DAB mounted area, which is on the rear window. We go for the rear window because it looks a lot more discreet. Porsche customers and generally customers aren't always a fan of the stick-on DAB antennas. They're not the most sightly things, which is completely fair enough thing to say about them. The DAB looks a little bit like this. You get your presets down the side there. You can save up to around 15, and to search for channels, you just look inside here, select the channel that you want to listen to, and then to save it, you just simply hold down the button you want to save it on and it will save like so. Really easy to use DAB. CarPlay works very nicely, just as you will know it, on a nice capacitive screen in this case. This head unit also comes with a 3-year warranty, so that's many years of hassle-free radioing basically. Apple CarPlay, I'm not going to go through every single thing, but it's mainly for your maps, your music, your messaging. Apps like Apple Maps is what I preferably use. You've got Google Maps, TomTom going Waze options also. I quite like Apple Maps. You can just type in the name of your destination, the hotel name you're thinking of, or the restaurant name. You're not just stuck with postcodes and door numbers, which are sometimes awkward to put in. Also, you get apps like Tidal for your music, or Amazon Music, or Apple Music. You've got apps for radio, DAB radio if you struggle to pick up DAB radio in your area. DAB isn't perfect everywhere. You can check your messages, check your phone calls, all your usual favourites, recents, contacts, keypad, and check your voicemail, all at your fingertips. We can also add reverse cameras to these systems, so if you want to add a reverse camera to your car to back up with a bit of confidence, we got solutions for those as well. Plenty of videos on our YouTube channel if you want to upgrade that. Around the back of the vehicle, we've got the DAB antenna. The DAB antenna is very discreet. In fact, Lee installed the DAB antenna today, and right now we're looking directly at it, and even I'm struggling to see it, but I know it's right in there. It's hidden just behind the Porsche logo. These are some of the lines from it. That's the DAB antenna on these vehicles on the rear window. It works pretty well and is much more discreet than having it on the front window. That is an option, so you can have it on the front window. It's a bit cheaper to have it installed in the front window. On the rear window, it's just a lot more discreet. So if you want it to look the best, the rear window is what I'd recommend. Obviously only on coupe cars. That's pretty much it for this video. My name's Max, this is Kleis Car Audio. Lee's the technician of today who done a fantastic job fitting this head unit. And if you want to get Apple CarPlay in your vehicle, hit us in the comments below or get in contact any other ways. Take care and goodbye.